guys, tying a tie can be intimidating at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple. Uh, you want to have these creases right here. You want to have these laying down flat, down flat on your chest. This is the length of the tie. If you want it longer on this end, you just pull this way, and this end will be longer. If you want it shorter, you just pull it back this way, and this will be shorter, and it could come up to your belt loop or higher. Now, the way you tie a tie is, you take this loop right here, you go over once, you go over twice, then you take this same loop and you go through this loop at the same time you're going through this other loop as well. And that's pretty much how you tie a tie. Like I said, you can adjust it here and there, but it's pretty simple. Again, you just have to take your time and go over those loops, and once you do, you pretty much get your side adjusted with your collar, pull it up this way, and put your buttons down, and put your little the smaller end, you can just put this in this way, or you could loop it under the little latch. It's usually a little latch on sometimes back here. You can put it through there and make it latch. But this is the way you tie a tie. How you doing, guys? Tying a tie can be intimidating. Trust me, I know. Before I learned how to tie a tie, I was very intimidated. But it's pretty easy. And you always want to have your seams right here, face down on your chest. Now, if you want to lengthen your tie, if you want this, your front of your tie to be longer, just pull it this way. It can be longer. If you want it shorter, where it comes up mid-belt area or higher, just pull it back this way when you want to tie your tie. Now I'm going to do this from a side angle this time. Previous video I did it on the straight up this way facing you. I'm going to do it from the side point. So now we're going to go one, cross over the bigger tie area on the skinnier tie area, twice. Then you're going to go through this loop by your neck right here once, and then you're going to go here, this loop right here, and that's the second loop. And you pull through, and you just pull the skinny end of the tie to tighten it up, and there you have it. And this is a tie. Like I said, it can be intimidating at first, but once you do it, I say maybe 4 or 5 times, you'll get used to it. And some ties have this area where they have this little label thing right here, well, that's branded. You can put this down here if it gets in the way. You can always loop it through here if it gets in the way when you have your tie on, and it'll kind of hold it in place. That's just a little hack right there that me and some of my friends learned while we was at school, and it kind of keep it in place. Some people use pins as well to put over it, but so that's how you tie a tie. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Peace.